Did you miss this? Around the start of the year, we saw some strong dollar strength that came in on the first proper real trading day of the new year. You can see that the dollar index gained significantly. Now, admittedly, that has been helped by some very strong jobs data midweek leading into the non-farm payrolls on Friday. However, the reasons given for the early dollar strength on Tuesday were quite mixed as analysts were trying to understand what the reason for the dollar strength was. Now, this was a good instance where Seasonax could be really helpful in revealing underlying trends that are existing in markets from a seasonal perspective. You can see here the dollar index tends to gain at the start of the year, just as it tends to fall at the end of the year. Now, this happens for accounting reasons. Therefore, did you miss this dollar strength and could you potentially have benefited from it, at least as one part of your analysis? That's one very helpful feature that Seasonax does. It helps you to see underlying seasonal trends, which can be very helpful when you're trying to analyze market moves.